Yeah.
What is your name?
Van Promise. Van Promise.
Van Promise?
Yes. Your name is PVT?
No. My name is Kunislav Skvirtovich.
Oh, Kunis Krav Screen Chovish. Me, I'm like Netman Fuse Defia Van Promise Guambizo Guamba.
What are you doing outside of TikTok?
Outside of TikTok, I'm a farmer. I'm a farmer.
What is it?
Farmer. I grow crops. I grow banana. Banana.
Grapes?
Yes.
You put
Banana.
bananas to grow?
Yeah, to grow, yes. I plant banana.
Зачем бананы в гроб ложить? Okay.
And what you do outside TikTok?
How is it explained? I am baker.
Oh, chef, like you bake? You
Yeah.
bake like you bake cakes?
Yes. Yes. I am making pancakes from jellyfish.
No way. Jellyfish?
Yes.
Like apple pie?
Yeah. It's very tasty.
Oh, that's nice, man.
Yeah.
That's nice. I love that, man. I'll try that one day.